Welcome back to the channel. Here we test and present useful tools, DIY equipment, and affordable products, giving you a clear look at what they offer and whether they are worth buying. If you enjoy tool reviews and practical product presentations, subscribe to the channel and turn on notifications so you don't miss our next videos. Today, we're taking a closer look at the PARKSIDE PAS 4D7, a compact 4-volt cordless screwdriver designed for quick, everyday jobs around the home and workshop. It features an integrated 4-volt lithium-ion battery with a capacity of 1.5 amp-hours and delivers up to 10 newton-meters of maximum torque. Its no-load speed reaches 200 revolutions per minute. At the front, you'll find a standard 1/4-inch or 6.35mm hex bit holder, allowing you to use a wide variety of common screwdriver bits. The controls are simple and easy to use. You can quickly switch the direction of rotation for tightening or loosening screws, while the integrated LED work light helps illuminate dark areas such as cabinets, furniture, and tight spaces. Another practical feature is USB Type-C charging. Since the battery is built into the tool, you don't need to carry a separate battery pack or dedicated charging station. Thanks to its compact size and lightweight design, the PAS 4D7 is ideal for furniture assembly, cabinets, shelves, fittings, small repairs, and general DIY screwdriving tasks. Of course, it isn't intended to replace a powerful drill driver for demanding construction work. Its strength is convenience. It's small, easy to handle, quick to grab, and powerful enough for many everyday jobs. Overall, the PARKSIDE PAS 4D7 is a useful and affordable little cordless screwdriver that deserves a place in a home toolbox. If you found this video useful, give it a like, subscribe to the channel for more tool reviews and product tests, and let us know in the comments what PARKSIDE tool you